Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about how blockchain works. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. The content of our video for today is brought to you by IBM.com. Thank you so much IBM. So how blockchain works? As each transaction occurs, it is recorded as a block of data. Those transactions show the movement of an asset that can be tangible, a product, or intangible intellectual. The data block can record the information of your choice: who, what, when, where, how much. It can even record the condition such as temperature of a food shipment. Second, each block is connected to the ones before and after it. These blocks form a chain of data as an asset moves from place to place of ownership changes hands. The blocks confirm the exact time and sequence of transactions, and the block link securely together to prevent any block from being altered or a block being inserted between two existing blocks. Lastly, transactions are blocked together in an irreversible chain, a blockchain. Its additional block strengthens the verification of the previous block and hence the entire blockchain, rendering the blockchain tamper evident, delivering the key strengths of immutability, removing the possibility of tampering by a malicious actor, and builds a ledger of transactions you and other network members can trust. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how blockchain works. Thank you so much guys for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.